Hi all, welcome to the series of Python learning. Here we are going to discuss and learn about from fundamentals, concepts, syntax and deployment and post-deployment series. This Python series will be a foundational series for learning machine learning and deep learning. Hence, I am going to cover some of the depending deep learning and machine learning aspects also as part of these Python learning series. Don't miss it. These sessions were actually intended for some of my team members and colleagues who were asked me about the Python learning. That time, instead of sharing with only the limited number of participants, I would like to share with you all as a wider audience, and combinedly we can learn in a fun way, uh, as well as it will be definitely very interesting. Please comment out if you are interested any other topics which are not covered yet, or it will be as part of the list or a pipeline as part of this learning series. I'll definitely consider your comments and make it as part of these learning series. We are going to cover the below topics as of now as part of this series. The Python fundamentals will be discussing about the history, how the Python has evolved, and also we'll be talking about the procedure oriented programming as well as object oriented programming, and we'll be talking about the coding as well. And as part of the coding, we'll be learning exception handling and file handling as well. And some of the algorithmic techniques like searching and sorting will be learning as part of this series. And one of the popular topic, NumPy, we are going to talk about. Apart from that, we'll be also learning the database connections. How do we establish the connections with different kind of databases? I mean to say DBMS or RDBMS databases. As well as we will be also learning how this coding or this your code will be stored and maintained through right version trackers. As part of that, we will be talking about Git, SVN or GitHub kind of a source code management tools. And also we'll be learning about PyCharm, and as I told you, we'll be also experiencing the Anaconda setup, which will be a backbone for learning machine learning as well as deep learning series. And some of you might have surprised how the Python will work with different kinds of web development. Some of great organizations like Spotify, Facebook, and many more organizations are using Python for not only for the backend operations or scheduling kind of a coding techniques, they are also using for their web development. Those details which we are going to discuss more as part of this series. Thank you very much, and I look forward all of you for participating these learning series, as well as forward these links as well as information to your peers and colleagues to learn together as a system. Let us learn Python followed by artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next topic. Thank you.